Money is good. Money is very important. It can help you live a very good life. But the presence of money does not negate the presence of unpleasant emotions. Oh, I agree. It is better to be sad and depressed with money in your bank account than to be sad and depressed in the midst of lack of money. So yes, I agree that the presence of money is good. I just want to let you know that sadness, depression, worry, frustration, anger, loneliness, anxiety, and all of that can still be present in your life with so much money available. Stop thinking that it's the lack of money in your life that's making you drown in all of these unpleasant emotions. You will have a more beautiful life if you learn how to manage these emotions, because if the money you're waiting for finally comes, your inability to manage these unpleasant emotions will continue to cut your joy and your happiness.